There may come a final moment in the future when everything in existence stands on the edge of disappearing forever, not slowly fading or collapsing piece by piece, but reaching a precise boundary where reality itself can no longer continue. This would be the last possible moment before all structure, all energy, and all meaning vanish completely from the universe. The universe appears stable because its laws remain consistent. Gravity shapes galaxies, electromagnetism binds atoms, and quantum forces control particles. These interactions create the structure that allows existence to continue across every scale of reality. But nothing in the universe is truly permanent. Stars burn out, galaxies drift apart, and energy spreads through space over time. Every process moves toward a future where stability becomes increasingly difficult to maintain. One possibility behind this final moment is vacuum instability. The universe may exist in a fragile metastable state balanced above its true lowest energy condition. If that balance breaks, reality itself could change instantly. This transition would begin as a tiny region where the laws of physics are different. Expanding outward at the speed of light, it would replace everything in its path with a completely new state of reality. Inside this expanding region, matter may no longer survive. The forces that bind atoms together could fail instantly, causing all structure to dissolve into something undefined and unstable. The terrifying part is that there would be no warning before it happens. No signal can move faster than light, meaning the transition cannot be detected before it arrives. One moment, the universe would appear completely normal, galaxies would continue moving, stars would still shine, and life would continue unaware that reality is already approaching its final boundary. Then the transition arrives. In a single instant, everything changes. Matter loses stability, familiar physics stops functioning, and existence crosses into something beyond comprehension. Another possibility involves the complete exhaustion of usable energy. As entropy increases over unimaginable timescales, the universe approaches a state where no further change is possible. Stars eventually burn out, leaving behind cold remnants drifting through darkness. Galaxies lose structure, and the universe becomes quieter and more empty over time. Black holes may survive longer than anything else. Their immense gravity allows them to consume surrounding matter and energy, becoming the final major structures in existence. But even black holes are not eternal. Through Hawking radiation, they slowly evaporate over immense stretches of time until they eventually disappear completely. After the final black hole vanishes, the universe approaches near total emptiness. Only low-energy particles and faint radiation remain scattered across expanding space. At this stage, interactions become almost impossible. Distances between particles grow so vast that meaningful encounters may never happen again. Time continues, but without events or change, it loses meaning. Nothing evolves, nothing forms, and nothing new emerges from the silent emptiness of reality. Some theories suggest even particles eventually decay, removing the last traces of matter from the universe entirely. Quantum fluctuations might still occur briefly in empty space, creating particles for short moments before they disappear again into the vacuum. The last possible moment before everything disappears is not necessarily violent. It may simply be the final instant where reality still possesses enough structure to continue existing. Beyond that final moment lies complete absence. Number stars, no matter, no interactions, and no structure remain. The universe crosses its ultimate boundary, leaving behind only endless silence where everything that once existed has finally disappeared forever.